All right, welcome back to Paris. We're at Ladurée, fame of the macarons and tea and cakes and everything. And this is the actual first one. And we're in the heart of kind of like the fashion district. Nicole just got some of her favorite shoes. So let's go check it out. All right, the menu. It's a pretty big one. You get your breakfasts here. And mainly home of all the cakes, baguettes, teas, macaron. And we can't eat a lot of stuff here, but there is some gluten-free. All right, check this out. We've got a cauliflower. I can't believe it, gluten-free. Nicole got the omelet. And we got some bread over here. I did have to try a little bit. Anyways, looks fantastic. All right, so lunch was amazing, but now we're on to the best part, the macarons. They definitely have some different ones here versus some of the other locations. Some of the other locations, they usually, this top section, they'll carry these ones, but then you get the special seasonal ones. So let's see what we get today. All right, macarons here. I got the chocolat and the strawberry and poppy. The blue one is the Marie Antoinette. And what was the other one you got?
The rose.
The rose, which actually is one of my favorites, but I wanted to try two new ones today. All right, I got the Café Viennois. So it's a Vienna coffee, and Nicole got the tea. All right, guys, lunch there was fantastic. This is the to-go shop. You can get some to-go. That's the restaurant. Busy in Paris. Nice 70-degree day today. Anyways, put a thumbs up on the video. We got 1 night left, 2 nights left here, and then we're off to Germany. So thanks for tuning in.